Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a makeup get ready with me video. I'm getting ready to film another video, and if you're watching this one then you already saw it, and that is trying Mexican snacks from Mexico. But I decided to film me getting ready for that video and do like a little makeup get ready with me. So I'm just gonna hop right on into it. I'm just gonna go for it. I have a shirt on, don't worry. I filmed one of these before and like, it did not turn out good. So I'm refilming another get ready with me. Let me take out my nose ring. Alright, I'm gonna put some MAC Strobe cream on so I can look glowy and cute. The lighting is spectacular. Okay, and now I'm gonna do foundation. I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte mixed with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear, which it does not wear that long, if I'm being honest. Alright, I'm gonna mix these two because I'm in between shades right now. Now a little mix. So what's up, everyone? I see y'all watching my videos and not subscribing. I see you. That's okay. That is a-okay. Just gonna, I like to just dab my foundation on, dab, 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 and then blend it out with my beauty blender. Every time I film a makeup video I have a pimple, so that's cool. Make sure you bring it down the neck. Alright, what should I talk about? I'm looking for a new foundation. I feel like foundation is like the only makeup product I really buy these days anymore. But if you have any suggestions of a good foundation, let me know. One that's sweat proof because I be sweaty. One that's good for dry ass skin because I have dry ass skin. And full coverage. If I'm wearing foundation, I don't want no light coverage. I want full coverage or no coverage. Like I either wear it, sheesh, or I wear no makeup. Next, I'm gonna be applying concealer. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. To be honest, this concealer is whatever. Crease is pretty bad on me. Like I have to really blend it in and set it right away or else not gonna work. Wow, that's just cute. Alright, so under the eyes, down the nose. I'm not even gonna put concealer on my chin because I have a breakout right here. Blend it out. Because I do my foundation, like my face first, and then I do my eyeshadow. I don't know how people do eyeshadow and brows and then foundation. I cannot do it like that. I need like a whole base before I do anything else. I'm really pouncing. So, I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. How many times have you heard that one? I stopped using Tarte Shape Tape, but I think I'm gonna go back. I feel like that's the best concealer, even though it's a little heavy. I'm gonna set. I'm not gonna bake. I'm gonna set. My skin is too dry to like bake all day long. I ain't got time for that. And I set my eyelid too. I'm just a crease machine. I'm gonna set my chin, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. And then I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and just kind of swipe it away. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm just all over the place, but I like to do my eyebrows next. So let's just fast forward through that. Now that my eyebrows are on, they take a really long time. I can't really talk while I do them, so that's why I skipped through that. But we're gonna move on and finish the face, and then we'll do the eyes. I'm gonna do a little light contour. I just put it and blend it. Blend it upwards, kind of, my forehead. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer, MAC Gimme Sun, just for like a little bit of color on my cheeks. Just a little aggressive with the brush. And then some blush. This is, what blush is this? MAC, I don't know, I can't even see the name anymore. I think it's called Flower Power, but I don't think they have that color anymore. It's just a pink blush. And I like to put it on the apples and blend it like into the bronzer. Take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna take like an orangish transition color, and I'm just gonna pop that into my crease. Just blending up. Like, why is my pinky up? Just blend it out until it looks seamless. Take a deeper orange. What kind of color is this? terracotta. I don't know. This is the color Real Gar from the Modern Renaissance palette. I really like this palette. I use it often. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in the crease. And I'm gonna put it from the outer corner to the inner corner. Since we're doing like a smoky eye, it's gonna cover the whole lid. So inner to outer, windshield wiper motions. You can bring it as high or as low as you want. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna put a little bit of powder under my eye because this next shade has some fallout. So the powder can just touch it and dust it away. I'm gonna take a shade called, I don't even know what it's called. It's from a Morphe palette, and I took it out of the Morphe palette and I put it in this little Z palette. So I have no idea what the shade is called, but it's like a dark chocolate brown shimmer shade. I'm gonna take just a little flat brush. I'm gonna spray a little bit of Fix Plus on it. I'm gonna dip into the shade. Did that so the color looks a lot more vibrant, if you will. And I'm just patting it on my lid. So I'm putting it on my lid and then into my crease a little bit, right where we put that like burnt orange shade. And then I'm gonna kind of just drag the color up a little bit. This is like a really nice shade. Okay, so I have it on the lid. And then obviously when you blend it out, I'm just gonna blend it out. And then if you want to pop back into one of those orange shades, you can do so. And I'm gonna do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take some dark brown eyeliner and I'm gonna put it on my tight line. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna do my waterline. And I'm gonna kind of smudge a little bit on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna smudge that eyeliner out. I don't want my lower lash line to be too much. A pencil brush, and I'm gonna take those same eyeshadow in my eye. That same burnt orange color and just run it under that dark brown in my lower lash line. There you go. Lower lash line. That way it blends into the lid. I ain't no makeup artist, okay? Don't know the terminology. So I like to take that first transition shade and then just blend it out. Make sure that everything is blended. And then go back in with the fluffy brush and just, okay, almost in. I'm gonna use my highlighter, and this is Gilded Honey, Laura Geller, you know. Love this shit. And I'm gonna put that as an inner corner highlight. And then I'm just gonna like graze it over my brow bone. I'm gonna put on some mascara for my lashes. I'm gonna do a quick coat. Something slight, something quick, because I'm gonna put on fake lashes. Gotta hit the lower lash line. Alright, I'm gonna put on fake lashes off camera because this is really a struggle for me. Actually, I'm gonna do my highlighter first. I'm gonna take a little bit of Fix Plus, spray it on my brush. Ready? Here we go. Yes. Honestly, my skin is so dry right now. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lashes real quick. Gonna put on some lipstick. I'm gonna use Strip Down lip liner from MAC. I mean, I think it's time for a new one. Anyways, gotta make it last, you know? Line my lips. Nothing crazy, not overlining. And then I'm kind of gonna fill them in because, you know, can't keep it like this. And then I'm gonna take MAC Peachstock. On a lip gloss, I'm gonna be using ColourPop X Makeup Shayla. This is in the lip gloss Neat Freak. This is my new favorite lip gloss. It's just a shimmery, like clear gloss, and it goes good by itself or over top like any lipstick. Ooh yeah. This is cute. This is cute. This is real cute. Perfect. Last and final step. Round yourself in Fix Plus. Alright guys, that concludes my smoky bronze makeup look. Thanks for getting ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked this makeup video, let me know and I can film more. I kind of liked filming this. It was a little difficult though because it's hard to do your makeup and talk at the same time. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.